Hello, 你好. My awesome language learners, welcome back to Beginner Conversations in Chinese. I'm Julie Liu, your host and founder of Motherly Notes. And today we're diving into some new phrases for getting ready in the morning. But before we start folding our clothes, brushing our teeth, you'll mean what I mean. You'll see what I mean in a second. Let's do a quick review of what we learned the last time. Are you ready? Let's see if you still remember what I taught you last time, okay? How do you say, I'm awake? I think I heard you say, 我醒来了. Did you say that? Good job. Okay, now what's the phrase for I got up? Still same for 4 words. Let me hear it. 我什么？我起来了. Good job. Okay. How do you say, I feel very tired? I feel is 我觉得. 你觉得什么？我觉得很累. 我觉得很累. Good job. Finally, okay, I'm going to really give you some time to say this one. Okay, I feel very energized. Now, tell me, how do you say that in Chinese? Did you say it? 我觉得很有精神. 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 Yay! We're all prepared for today's, right? Okay, you guys are on fire. Now, let's jump into today's lesson. We're still in book 1. Lesson 1, if you flip to page, I think it's 15. Today we're going to learn about folding clothes, brushing teeth, washing face. I know, super glamorous, right? All the stuff you have to do to look good after you wake up, right? But these are the stuff that we have to do every morning. Hopefully you brush your teeth every day or else your breath would smell really, really bad. Okay, let's go. First one. 棉被叠好了. 棉被叠好了. Okay, you say this proudly after you finish folding your blanket like a pro. I hope you all make your bed in the morning. If not, make it just so you can say this sentence. 棉被 is your blanket or quilt, or it's really just blanket, okay? 棉被叠好 means I folded it. Okay, I folded it neatly. 了, we said last time, it's done. Okay, when something is I went swimming 了, it means I'm done with swimming. All right, 我吃饭了 means I'm done with eating. 了, I'm done with eating. Oh my gosh, it sounds so weird in English. Okay, 棉被叠好了. 棉被叠好了. It could also mean you've made your bed, right? So if you folded your blanket or folded your quilt, it means I did my bed. So the way to say things sometimes is different from Chinese directly translated to English. That's why you do not do a direct translation. In this case, I folded my blanket is the same as I did my bed, okay? I'm done doing my bed. 棉被叠好了. All right. What is I got out of bed? Good job. 我起床了. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to sneak in all these questions out of stuff we learned last time. So you better keep on your toes. All right. So next one. 衣服叠好了. Do you notice something different or the same? What's different? The beginning two, right? It's not 棉被. It's 衣服叠好了. So it's not my blanket that's been folded. What do you think's been folded? 衣服. 衣服 is clothes. 叠好 means folded, right? 衣服叠好了 means, hey, I folded my clothes. I'm done with my clothes. Okay, so how do you say the clothes are folded in Chinese? Exactly. 衣服叠好了. 衣服叠好了. Do you see how easy that was? It's all about seeing the pattern. You've already got the structure down. Next time someone asks you if you folded your clothes, you know exactly what to say. Hey, 衣服叠好了. Come on, I already did it, all right? Or you can also say it to sound super responsible when your mom asks. Haha. All right, the next thing, after you get up, folded your clothes, did your bed, what are you going to do? I hope you're saying you're going to brush your teeth. 我要去刷牙. 我要去刷牙. 我要 means I'm going to. 去 means to go. 刷牙 means to brush your teeth. 我要去刷牙 means I'm going to go brush my teeth. 我要去刷牙. Now you say it. Uh-huh. Again. 我要去刷牙. Good. Okay. Review time. How do you say I'm awake? Good. 我醒来了. 我醒来了. All right. We're almost ready for the day. Let's finish strong. Next one. 我要去. Ooh, that sounds very familiar. Did we just learn that? I'm going to what? 我要去洗脸. 洗脸. If you brush your teeth, what else do you do? I hope you just said wash your face because when you get up in the morning, your face might feel a little bit sticky or oily. 我要去洗脸. 我要去洗脸. So can you guess what 洗脸 means? Exactly. It means to wash your face. So can you say, I'm going to go wash my face in Chinese? 我要去洗脸. You say it. Good job. Woo! Look at you, crushing through your morning routine in Chinese. Let's do a quick full review of what we learned so far. How do you say, I feel very tired? Correct. 我觉得很累. What's the phrase for the blanket is folded where I did my bed? 棉被叠好了. 棉被叠好了. Good job. Okay. How do you say I got out of bed? 我起床了. 我起床了. Next one. 我要去刷牙. What does that mean? 我要去刷牙. What does that mean? It means I'm going to, that's right, brush my teeth. 衣服叠好了. 衣服叠好了. What does that mean? Good. The clothes are folded. So how do you say the blanket is folded? Or I made my bed? 棉被叠好了. Now, how do you say I'm going to wash my face? 我要去洗脸. 我要去洗脸. How do you say brushing teeth? Uh-huh. 刷牙. So how do you say I'm going to go brush my teeth again? 我要去刷牙. And last of all, of course, 我觉得很有精神. Why? Because I'm learning Chinese. And that's a wrap for our episode 2. You've added 4 more super useful phrases and a bunch of vocab to your toolbox, and now you're really getting into the groove. Keep practicing these sentences throughout the day, and soon they'll just roll off your tongue like second nature. Remember, you can follow along in our Book 1 in Beginner Conversations in Chinese. And of course, if you want to practice even more, come to our live classes at Motherly Notes. We love to have you. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, bye-bye.